What's up, my good people? Welcome, guys. How can you be able to pin applications on Windows 11 taskbar? Right, if you can check this is what you call this my Windows 11 taskbar, and you can see I have pinned several applications. You can see, for example, I have this is Photoshop, and this is Watershed from Mora. This is Adobe Illustrator 2019. This is Notepad, and this is Atomic File Explorer, and this is Telegram. How can you be able to pin these applications that is on Windows 11 taskbar? How do you go about it? So you just need to click this icon here and go to apps. You can see apps here. Just click apps, and when you click apps, you can see a list of apps which you have installed in your Windows 11 operating system. So you just need to select the applications that you want to pin that is on Windows 11. So I'll just select one. For example, I can just pin that is Adobe Reader. Currently you can see it is not present it is not pinned in my Windows 11 taskbar. So you just need to select it to have you just need to choose the application you want to pin. In our case, we'll be pinning that is Adobe Reader. Then you just need to right click, and when you right click, you can see there we have pinned to the taskbar to the start. When you pin onto the task, this application will be visible on the other side. When you click this icon, you'll find it there, but in this case we want to find it on the taskbar. So you just need to go to take your cursor where we have more, then you can see we have what you call pin to taskbar. The moment you just click this, the application will just the system will just pin the application that is on your Windows 11 taskbar. For example, I can choose a different application, for example Brave. So I just need to right click on Brave, and when you right click on Brave, you will see we have more and pin to the taskbar. And just do the same way, and you can see those applications are currently pinned, or that is on Windows 11 taskbar, and the applications are cool. So the main reason people normally pin these applications that is on Windows 11 taskbar, this is for easier access. The applications that you normally use so frequently, you can just pin them on Windows 11 taskbar so that you don't waste a lot of time looking for them. So you just need to just click that application and open, because it is just pinned on that is on your Windows 11 taskbar. In case you want to unpin some of the programs you have pinned on your Windows 11 taskbar, so you just need to right click on that application. For example, in this case, I can unpin Brave. So you just need to right click on Brave, and we have unpin from taskbar, and the moment you just click unpin, the application will just disappear from your Windows 11 taskbar. I can also unpin that is Adobe. So you just need to right click and select unpin, and you can see the application has just disappeared from my screen. So that is how simply you can be able to pin applications on your Windows 11 taskbar. Just in case you pin application to start, this is what you call that is Windows 11 start. So if for example I want to pin to mix this Adobe Reader app that is available, that is visible on the other side. So I just need to right click and click pin to start. Pins to start, this is what you call Windows 11 start, and if you scroll, you can see it is all visible on the other side. So that is how you can go to pin application that is on Windows 11 taskbar and on Windows 11 start menu. This is what you call a start menu. It's very easy, just an easier way of accessing some of the applications or programs that you easily access. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe, and in case you have any question, you can just leave it in the comment section and we will be able to give you a response. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.